So what you want to do is you want to be able to take this seat off. See how it's broke back here? Something's missing. I don't know. I guess it detached from here. So we finally found a seat. The first thing you also want to do is make sure you either have an oblong seat like I do, see how it comes out, or you have the small round. So make sure you buy the right type and right color. Match it up. Second, then you want to take a screwdriver and just unscrew it. It's getting looser. That's one side. See how the bolt comes out underneath? Just a piece of plastic. Keep unscrewing this. And I like to thoroughly clean the toilet while I have the lid off, so I'm going to do that. And now this will be in the garbage. And I'm going to clean my hands first. Clean it up. This is like a glue, sticky resin, whatever it comes with. It gets like all over from the screws or however they do it. And that's it. Maybe underneath could be extra that glue. Okay, I'm going to take a tissue, dry it off. Okay, the directions are telling me, it's very, very easy directions, step by step for anyone, to take the plastic screws they give you and this piece, you can see it, and see how it has the slots. Stick your screw in there, lift up your hinge, and stick it inside. And then it tells you to close your hinge. Same on the other side. Slide it in. Close your hinge. So those are your new ones. Now we got to put it on. Stick the holes down in there. It shows the smaller side goes down, the larger side goes up. And I think it wants you to do it slowly with your hands because they want you to line the toilet seat up. So let me zoom out so you can see. This toilet seat is resting past the front, so I need to push it towards the back and then tighten my bolts so it lines up evenly with the front of your seat. There, that's where it should be. Now hold it with your front hand while you tighten. That's it. And we bought a self-closing lid, so it closes by itself. And that's all there is to it.